Introducing the Hausted Fluoro-Track fluoroscopy stretcher. The Fluoro-Track stretcher is designed to offer the security of a treatment table and the mobility of a transport stretcher, and for use with C-arms for fluoroscopy-guided procedures. The unique design, with a proprietary sliding top, enables a broader range of imaging capacity without repositioning the patient. This stretcher has a 500-pound weight capacity. The stretcher is used for multiple procedures, patient treatment, transport, and recovery. This stretcher is designed with a full-length radiolucent translating top that is easy to operate. It enables a broad range of imaging capacity without repositioning the patient, increasing the imaging access where the clinician needs it. The translating top has 18 inches of movement. Raise rails to high position and on the patient left, pull on the red lock tab or safety pin and raise the release tab to engage the top 12 inches towards the foot and 6 inches towards the head. This movement reduces the need to reposition the patient and the C-arm, allowing for shorter procedure times. After a procedure is completed, the patient surface must be returned to the center position. Standard on the unit is the 8-inch Tente caster with central brake and steering. The caster braking system should always be locked when patient is not in transport. When patient is left unattended, the caster braking system should always be locked and patient side rails placed in upright locked position. This system makes steering and braking easy and safe for staff and patients. Take note of the red pedals for braking and green pedals for steering, located on all 4 wheels. The low-profile base creates an excellent window for C-arm access from both sides. The Fluoro-Track stretcher has a width of 24 inches, allowing full access via the C-arm opening for lateral imaging. The Fluoro-Track stretcher has 3 sets of foot pedals, 1 set each on the right, left, and foot end of the stretcher. The foot end set of pedals are conveniently located so that while the C-arm is used, all foot pedal functions can be performed. To adjust height of stretcher, press the large pump pedal to the floor until you reach your desired height. To lower the top, press down the 2 release pedals at the same time until the patient's surface is at the desired height. Trendelenburg can be achieved by pressing down the release pedal closest to the head end until you have reached the desired position. Reverse Trendelenburg can be achieved by pressing down the release pedal closest to the foot end until you have reached the desired position. To move the Fowler either up or down, press the red release handle and move the Fowler to the desired position. Then release the red handle. The rails of the 493 RPC stretcher can be adjusted into 3 positions. It can be raised to full height, intermediate height, and fully stowed. The 3-stage IV pole is located on the patient right foot end. The 493 RPC ST Fluoro-Track stretcher. Contact your Hausted representative to see how the Fluoro-Track stretcher can streamline your caseload and transform your OR.